Donald Trump's legal problems may soon lead to a stay in jail. Reports suggest that he is facing various criminal charges at both the state and federal level. Whether he will ultimately end up behind bars or not remains to be seen, but the possibility of his incarceration has become a real possibility. Special Prosecutor Robert Mueller has already indicted several of Trump's associates, and it appears he could widen the scope of his investigation to include the president himself. Former FBI Director James Comey has stated that Trump's actions during his tenure in the White House merit investigation and potential criminal charges. Trump is also likely to face criminal prosecution for potential campaign finance violations related to payments made to two women during the 2016 election. His former attorney, Michael Cohen, has admitted to making these payments and testified under oath that the president had directed him to do so. Trump is also being investigated for allegations of collusion with Russia during the 2016 election, as well as potential obstruction of justice. All of these investigations point towards the potential for criminal charges against the president and a stay in jail for him. Trump's legal team is doing their best to fight back against these charges, but ultimately it is up to the courts to decide if he will be tried and potentially convicted. If convicted, Trump could be looking at a prison sentence that could range from a few months to several years. There is also a possibility that Trump could be pardoned by his successor, but that is not certain. Regardless of the outcome, it is clear that Trump's legal troubles are far from over and he may soon find himself behind bars. Trump's opponents are eagerly awaiting the outcome of these investigations and the potential for justice to be served. Supporters of the president are also keeping an eye on the situation and hoping that the Justice Department's decisions do not prove to be too damaging. To date, Trump has insisted that he is innocent of all charges and has denied any wrongdoing. But many legal analysts have suggested that he is at risk of being charged with a variety of crimes related to his business dealings and the 2016 election. Trump has sought to discredit the Mueller investigation, calling it a witch hunt and claiming that there is no evidence of collusion or obstruction of justice. Despite this, the investigation has widened and the possibility of indictments and convictions of those close to Trump is becoming more and more likely. Trump's financial records have been subpoenaed by the Mueller team and could soon be used as evidence if criminal charges arise. Should criminal charges be brought against Trump, he could be facing jail time in the near future. Trump's lawyers have argued that the president cannot be charged with a crime while in office, but the judge overseeing the case has yet to rule on the issue. The outcome of the Mueller report and any subsequent legal action will go a long way in deciding if Donald Trump will end up in jail. Trump has made it clear he believes he is above the law and he has been defiant in the face of potential criminal charges. Political pundits have said that if Trump is indeed tried and convicted of any criminal charges, it would be a huge blow to his legacy and a stain on the presidency. The prospect of Trump going to prison is already a hot topic of debate among both his supporters and opponents.